Have you ever wondered how shrimp are caught and harvested? Well, you're about to find out. Shrimp, those delightful small pink crustaceans, are a beloved seafood option across the globe. They are a gastronomic delight, featuring in a multitude of dishes, from a classic shrimp cocktail to a spicy shrimp stir-fry. But have you ever taken a moment to ponder their journey from the ocean depths to your dinner plate? It's an intriguing process filled with skill, tradition, and a hint of the unexpected. In our world today, where we are increasingly conscious about the origins of our food, understanding the process of shrimp harvesting is not only interesting, but also important. So, come along on this voyage of discovery. We'll guide you through the captivating steps involved in catching these little sea treasures and bringing them to your table. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of shrimp catching and harvesting. Before the boats hit the waters, there's a lot of preparation that goes into catching shrimp. It's not as simple as casting a net and hoping for the best. Rather, it's a careful process that requires the right kind of boat, equipment, and fishing gear, along with a deep understanding of the shrimp's migratory patterns and the best times to catch them. Let's start with the boat. Shrimp boats are specially designed for the task at hand, typically featuring powerful engines and spacious decks to accommodate large nets and a hefty catch. They're sturdy vessels, built to withstand the often unpredictable conditions of the sea. Next comes the equipment. Shrimpers use a variety of tools to ensure a successful catch. Among these are trawl nets, which are large, cone-shaped nets that are dragged along the ocean floor to scoop up shrimp. But it's not just about having the right tools. It's about knowing how to use them effectively. That's where experience and skill come into play. Now, onto the fishing gear. Shrimp fishing requires specific gear to handle the catch and keep it fresh. This includes insulated holds to keep the shrimp cold and high-quality sorting tables to separate the shrimp from other sea creatures caught in the net. Understanding the shrimp's migratory patterns is another vital part of the preparation process. Shrimp are most plentiful during their migration periods, which vary depending on the species and region. Knowing when and where these migrations occur can greatly increase the chances of a successful catch. And finally, timing is everything. The best times to catch shrimp are usually at night when they're most active, and during the new moon, when the darker waters make them less cautious and easier to catch. With preparations complete, it's time to head out to the sea. The process of catching shrimp is a blend of science and art, requiring both knowledge and intuition. It's a dance with nature, where preparation and understanding lead the way to a bountiful catch. Once out in the open waters, the real work begins. Now that we've left the shoreline behind, it's time to delve into the heart of this operation: catching shrimp. Imagine the vessel steady and prepared as it unfurls its nets into the vast blue expanse. These nets, they're not your average fishing nets, they're specially designed for shrimp catching. Picture a large cone-shaped net that tapers to a small end called a cod end, where the shrimp are collected. As the net plunges into the water, it begins to spread. The boat then starts to move, creating a drag. This movement is key. It's not too fast to let the shrimp escape, nor too slow to let them settle. It's a precise, calculated pace. A dance, if you will, between the boat and the sea. Now, the boat and net are not alone in this endeavor. Attached to the net are devices called doors. These doors are not for any visitor, but they serve as an essential part of this marine ballet. As the boat moves, the doors, which are flat and rectangular, spread outwards due to the water pressure, causing the mouth of the net to open wide. This allows the net to cover a larger area and scoop up more shrimp. After a calculated period, it's time to haul in the catch. The winch roars to life, and the net, heavy with the bounty of the sea, is carefully brought back on board. It's a sight to behold. A cascade of shrimp, their bodies shimmering against the backdrop of the sea, spilling onto the deck. The air is filled with a sense of accomplishment and the briny scent of the sea. The deck now mirrors a lively market, bristling with activity, but among the bustle there's a sense of respect and appreciation for the sea and its offerings. With a boat full of catch, it's time for the next step, sorting and processing. But that, my friends, is a story for another time. For now, let's revel in the success of a good catch and the timeless dance between man and sea. Back on deck, the catch needs to be sorted and harvested. Now we find ourselves amidst a flurry of activity, a dance of sorts, where precision meets speed. You see, time is of the essence here, and every second counts. The process begins with the sorting. The catch, hauled in from the sea, is a mix of things, not just the shrimp we're after. This is an integral part of sustainable fishing, ensuring that we only take what we need and nothing more. The crew gets to work sifting through the catch with experienced hands and sharp eyes. The shrimp are separated, the unwanted catch is returned to the sea, and balance is maintained. Now, onto the shrimp. These little sea gems are delicate and require careful handling. They are scooped up, inspected for quality, and then placed into a separate container. But it's not just about keeping the shrimp, it's about keeping them fresh. The fresher the shrimp, the better the taste, and that's a fact. To ensure this freshness, the shrimp are quickly chilled. This isn't your average cooling, mind you. We're talking about a rapid plunge in temperatures, a swift transition from the warmth of the sea to the cold of the ice. This chilling process slows down decomposition, effectively putting the shrimp into a state of suspended animation. It locks in the flavor, the texture, and the quality, preserving the shrimp in their prime. And there you have it. The shrimp are harvested, sorted, and chilled, all on the deck of the boat, out in the middle of the sea. It's a process that's as fascinating as it is intricate, a testament to the skill and dedication of those who venture out to bring us these treasures from the deep. Once sorted and chilled, the shrimp are ready to be transported back to shore. And that, my friends, is where the next part of our journey begins. From sea to shore, from boat to plate, the life of a shrimp is indeed a fascinating one. Back on shore, the harvested shrimp are ready for the next phase. As the boat docks, the air is filled with anticipation and excitement. The day's hard work is about to pay off. The crew, with their experience and efficiency, begin offloading the catch. Handled with utmost care, each net full of shrimp is hoisted from the deck and carefully emptied into designated containers. This process is not just about transferring the shrimp from one place to another, it's a carefully orchestrated dance between man and machine, each playing their role to ensure the shrimp arrive in perfect condition. The shrimp are then sorted by size, a meticulous task that requires a keen eye and quick hands. Once sorted, it's time for packaging. Here, the shrimp are placed into boxes lined with ice, ready to be transported to markets and restaurants. This ice not only keeps the shrimp fresh, but also helps maintain their delicate flavor. Each box is carefully sealed, labeled with its contents and destination, and then loaded onto refrigerated trucks. The journey of these shrimp doesn't end here. These trucks journey through cities and countryside, ensuring that the fruits of the sea reach those who appreciate them. From high-end gourmet restaurants where chefs will transform them into culinary masterpieces to local markets where they'll be the star of a family dinner, this process from sea to table is one of dedication and hard work. It's a testament to the efforts of those who brave the sea, those who meticulously sort and package, and those who ensure that these shrimp reach their final destination. So, the next time you enjoy a succulent shrimp dish, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undertaken. A journey that begins in the depths of the ocean and ends on your plate. A journey that involves not just a fishing boat and its crew, but a whole chain of individuals committed to bringing you the freshest seafood. From sea to table, that's the journey of a shrimp. So that's the intriguing process of catching and harvesting shrimp. We've journeyed together from the meticulous preparations for the catch, where every detail matters, to the vast expanse of the sea, where patience and skill are key. We've witnessed the diligent work of harvesting the shrimp, a process that merges traditional methods with modern technology to ensure the best quality. And finally, we've returned to the shore, where the fruits of the sea are ready to begin their journey to our plates. This intricate dance of man and nature, of tradition and innovation, is a testament to the dedication and hard work that goes into bringing us the seafood we savor. It's a reminder that every bite we take is part of a larger story, a journey that begins far from our kitchens. We hope this journey has offered a new perspective on the seafood we enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Till next time, keep exploring.